morning. We are starting our exodus of hikers out of camp towards Acton. There's probably about 20 plus people in camp last night at the North Fork Ranger Station. So that was interesting because I've kind of been alone mostly for the past like 3 days, basically from Wrightwood, because a lot of groups split off. Some went to Bait and Powell, some did the road walk. But yeah, I don't know, just had fun, got to meet new people, got to see some people that I met recently and got to reconnect. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna get going and get to town. Just let a group pass me, but came around this corner and I don't know how well you can see it on video, but you can see like the power lines going across and kind of in the haze, and I thought it was really neat, so I took a couple pictures of that. It's also really cool today because you can clearly see the trail because of the white sand. So it's like this line here-ish, going that way, all the way around. So this is what I'm hiking towards right now. It's really beautiful. All these foothills and stuff. I know I've taken some video of it before. But right now we're on a steep path that's kind of cliffy. But not as bad because of the bushes. But I can't, well, maybe I can film a little bit while I'm walking. Here seems like an okay spot. It's really stunning view, like truly. All the foothills and the different colors of green. So this campsite area is really nice. I mean, there's no way I could have made it here yesterday after the ranger station, but Yeah, if you don't want to stay at the ranger station, then definitely stay down here. And then it's only like 4 miles from town. And it's got nice water and really nice camping. Like, seriously. Oh, man. Anyways, I had to go up that way somewhere. We're going uphill a little bit. Joy. No, it'll be fine. I actually, on this kind of terrain, I'd rather go uphill than downhill sometimes. Less fear of falling and slipping and all that stuff. But yeah, having a good day. Oh yeah, my sun hoodie has a giant hole in it. Yeah, having a good day. Gonna get into town. Now, one thing I need to decide is when I get to the KOA, if I want to do a shower and laundry there first and then go into town. I don't know. I need the post office, so I have to be in town eventually. If I get there, what is it, like, hold on, just 1 second. So it's 9:30 now, and it's about 4 miles to, so 9:32. I'll probably get there around noon to the KOA. So if I spend a couple hours doing laundry and getting a shower and stuff and paying for that, because it's like, unless you're camping there with them for like $20 a night, they do it like an a la carte thing. The shower's like $5, and if you want like a towel and toiletries, that's $2. And then laundry, I assume, would be like around $5. Anyways, I might do that because if I stay at the saloon, which is right next to the post office, where I'm trying to have something delivered, then, anyways, they don't have like laundry or anything like that, and I want to be clean, I think. I don't know. But that's something I gotta decide if I want to do all that first, or if I want to. I think I'm gonna do that first, actually, and then go into town, but we'll see. It's really pretty. We got a bunch of these purple flowers all over the trail right now. But I'm not sure if I've ever filmed these ones before. That's what they look like up close. But yeah. Sorry, we're going uphill, so I'm a little out of breath. But it's just come off the river, and there's like just patches of them. Whoops. Sorry, I didn't realize it wasn't focused. But yeah, we came out of the river, and there's like patches of them along with these white bushes. So that's kind of neat. Getting closer. 1.5 to the next landmark. I think it's about 2.5 from town or something. Well, the road to go into town. But yeah, I also forgot to mention, I think, that today's June 6th. Not June 6th. Today's June 4th. So today's June 4th. And I had to stop filming for a second because another hiker came up behind me. I know there's 2 more behind me still, too. So that's why I'm looking around. Anyways, I haven't seen this many hikers since Big Bear. Like, seriously. Like, I have all the people I camped with, except for a couple of people. They're all ahead of me right now. And then there must be people that were camped behind us that are now catching up too. Those 3-mile-per-hour people. But yeah, we're heading down. Hold on. So we're headed down in this area. So yeah, I can see the railroad tracks and stuff. So hopefully we'll be there soon. So I came across the corner, or around the corner, and I see these rocks. That is so cool. So it's really neat. This mountain has a lot of these flowers I showed earlier. And it's like red. It's so pretty.